In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the B-flat major scale hands together at the piano 2 octaves in the simplest, most practical manner possible so that you can get straight to playing. If you're new here, my name is Jonathan Roberts, and here at the South Shore Piano School YouTube channel, we provide tutorials and lessons just like this to help simplify your piano journey so that you can get straight to making music as quickly as possible. Now let's get to it. For 2 octave scales, it's always so much easier if you can water everything down to just 1 or 2 simple fingering rules rather than trying to memorize all of the fingerings in both hands. In other words, try not to think 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, or that's just going to get really confusing and overwhelming. We're going to bring that down to just 2 simple rules for this scale. And it all involves how we approach the flats. So we have B flat and E flat in this scale. We'll start with 3rd finger in the left hand, 2nd finger in the right hand. We want to get this thumb in the right hand over to C, and then from here, if you follow these couple simple rules, it locks in quite nicely. So when we're approaching a flat, whichever hand is ahead in the direction you're going, that's just going to go to the next finger. That's either going to be a 3 or a 4. If it's your 3rd finger, the other hand will cross over with the 4th finger, or if that's 4th finger, the opposite hand will cross over with 3. So in this case, my leading hand, my right hand, is about to continue with a 3. That means my trailing hand will cross over with a 4. So that's the first rule with this scale. Now the second is how we exit these flats. So to get out of a flat, the hand that's ahead will cross under with the thumb, the trailing hand will just keep going with the next finger. And then from there we just keep following these rules. So now I'm approaching B flat, hand that's ahead will just go to the next finger, that's 4, trailing hand goes to 3, the opposite, cross with the thumb, 3, cross with 4, cross with thumb, and then to top it off, left hand can just cross over with 2 while the right hand continues with the next finger. Now coming back, it's the same exact set of rules, except now my left hand is my leading hand and my right hand is the trailing hand. So coming back, my left hand continues to 4 on the E flat, so trailing hand crosses with 3. Now left hand thumb goes under. My left hand's about to play 3, so trailing hand crosses with 4, thumb under in the leading hand. Leading hand is about to go to 4, so trailing hand crosses with 3, cross with the thumb, and then we're done. I'll do that now a little faster so that you can see this in action. So approaching the black keys, 3, cross with 4, cross with the thumb, 4, 3, cross with the thumb, 3, 4, cross with the thumb, topping off, same exact thing in the other direction, 4, 3, cross with the thumb, 3, 4, cross with the thumb, 4, 3, cross with the thumb, and we're finished. Give it a try and let me know how it went in the comments. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe so that you can see more of our content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.